Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss chapter rational numbers, topic properties of rational numbers. Here we are going to look into 5 properties. The first property we have here, closure property. Closure property. Closure property, it is nothing but when you are taking two rational numbers. I can take here a by b and c by d. So we have two rational numbers which it belongs to the rational number. So here when we are going to add these two numbers a by b plus c by d. If this particular answer it belongs to the rational numbers set means, then we can say here the set of rational numbers is closed for addition and it is going to be satisfy the closure property. So this is the first property. For example, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 are the numbers. So both it is going to be the set of rational numbers. Now when you add these two numbers 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So here when you have addition we have to check the denominators. Denominators are not equal. So we need to take LCM. For 4 and 6 the LCM it is 12. So I can multiply. To get here 12 I need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So 4 3s are 12 you will get, and as well as here for 5 when you take we are going to get here 2 and here also 2. Just we need to make denominator as same. So here I took the denominator 4 and 6. I will make it as 12 both. So 3 into 3 the value here it is 3 into 3 it is nothing but a 9. So I am going to write directly here 9. 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 6 2s are 12. So when you have here denominator same, only once I can write 9 plus 10. Just I am going to add the numerator. So 19 divided by 12. So this is also it belongs to the rational numbers. So when we have taken two numbers belongs to rational numbers means the resultant, the sum of these two rational numbers, it belongs to the answer in the set of rational numbers. So this we can say it as closure property. Next we'll move to the second one. Here we have commutative property. Commutativity. So here commutativity it is nothing but the addition of two rational numbers is commutative when here if I have taken a by b and c by d which it belongs to the rational numbers, it has to satisfy this condition. When you add a by b plus c by d, it should be equal to c by d plus a by b. Then we can say here this two numbers it is going to be satisfies the commutative property. For example, I can take here two numbers. The first number it is minus 7 by 12 and the second one it is 5 by 8. So here just I am going to write the first number minus 7 by 12 plus 5 by 8 is equal to, just you have to take a reverse the second number as first, 5 by 8 plus minus 7 by 12. In between we have plus, so we have to check the denominators. The denominators are not same, so we need to take LCM. LCM of 8 and 12 it is 24. So here I can write minus 7 into, here we have 12, right? So to get here 24 just I am multiplying 2 and here also 2 and here 3. 8 3s are 24. Both I have multiplied numerator and denominator by 3 and here also 3. Here 3 and here it is 2. So when you multiply here what we will get minus 7 into 2 it is minus 14 divided by 24 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 24 is equal to 5 3s of 15 divided by 24 minus 7 2s of 14 divided by 24. When you simplify the LHS part, it should be equal to the RHS. So in this condition, here 24 24, the denominator is same, so I can write only once. So minus 14 plus 15 is equal to, so here also same, the denominators 24 24, I can write only once. So 15 minus 14. So when you simplify this, here we are going to get minus 14 plus 15, it is 1 divided by 24. Here 15 minus 14, it is 1. We have denominator 24, so 1 by 24. So LHS is equal to the RHS. Left hand side and right hand side, both it is equal. So we can say here, this it is going to be satisfies the commutative property. So here the next one, it is associativity. Associativity, it is nothing but the addition of the rational numbers is associative. According to this property, here we are going to take three numbers. So I can take here A by B, first number, C by D, and E by F. So we have totally three numbers. Three numbers, it belongs to the rational numbers. It has to be satisfy the condition, that is, it implies A by B plus C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B plus C by D plus E by F. So here in this, very important, the brackets. So we have here sum of second term and the third term. Next here we have in the right hand side, the first two terms sum. First we need to simplify, later you have to add with the third term. So final resultant, left hand side and the right hand side, if it is equal, then it is going to be satisfy the associative property. Let me check here. I am going to take an example. For example, we have the three numbers 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. All these three numbers, it belongs to the rational numbers. Just I am going to substitute here in the formula. First number 1 by 2 plus, just you have to add a second and third number 2 by 3 plus minus 1 divided by 6. In the right hand side, first two terms we need to add, we have to keep in bracket 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3, here plus we have minus 1 by 6. So in this condition, first we have to take 1 by 2 plus the LCM of 3 and 6, we are going to get here, it is 6. So in the numerator and denominator, both I am going to multiply by 2 to get the denominator same. So here I will get 2 2s are 4 divided by 6 plus into minus 1 divided by 6. First let me finish the left hand side. So here 1 by 2 plus denominators are same 6. Just you have to subtract the numerators. 1 by 2 plus 4 minus 1, it is 3 divided by 6. Here it is a single term, right? So I can cancel. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So the final answer 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is nothing but here one denominator is same, 2 1 plus 1. So the final answer we got here, it is 2 by 2. It is nothing but the left hand side, it is 1 we got. Okay, now we will move to the right hand side. So here the denominators, if you check the denominator, here it is 2 and 3. 2 and 3, the LCM it is 6. So I can write here, to get the value as 6 in the denominator, I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, and here I am going to multiply by 2. So the answer we will get here, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 2s are 6. We have to keep the bracket here. Plus into minus 1 by 6 we got is equal to. So here denominators are same, just I can write only once. 3 plus 4, and here minus 1 divided by 6. So 3 plus 4 it is 7. 7 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 6. So here both the denominators are same. 7 minus 6 it is 6. So 6 by 6 the value it is going to be 1. Now if you look at this, here we have in the left hand side, when you simplify the left hand side, here we got the value it is 1. In the right hand side we got the value it is 1. So here left hand side and right hand side, both it is going to be equal. So when it is equal, then it is going to be satisfy the associative property. Therefore we can write the formula here: A by B plus open bracket C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B plus C by D. Just I'm going to keep the bracket for these two numbers, sum of these two numbers, plus E by F. So if it is going to be satisfy this condition, left hand side value it is equal to the right hand side value means, then we can say these three numbers are satisfied under addition of associative.